Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. To all audience, thank you for giving me opportunity to present something on this occasion. First of all, let's all give the thanks to the God for His grace that we can gather on this occasion in good health. Secondly, the peace and praise be upon the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his families, his companions, and his followers until Yaumul Qiyamah. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My full name is Muhammad Shakil Al-Fawzi. You can just call me Shakila. I will speak about NC bullying. All members of the jury. In September last year, the residents of Cilacap Regency were shocked by a case of the bullying that befell a child with initial F by his senior with initial MK and WS, which occurred in one of the sub-districts on Cilacap Regency. This made junior high school in Cilacap Regency even more careful about this matter. So, what is bullying? Dear judge, bullying is an action that harms, hurts, and degrades other people as victims. Apart from physical harm, this action can also damage the victim mentally and emotionally, so that they do not feel safe and comfortable. Bullying tends to be done by a child as an outlet to get attention. Sadly, bullying sometimes becomes an opportunity to seek basic entertainment. The perpetrator is increasingly satisfied with an attitude of inferiority and fear become a victim. The target of the perpetrator usually has a different physical form, race, or religion. Bullying can only happen indirectly, but can also happen in cyberspace, or the language is cyberbullying. Example include blaspheming, threatening, and badmouthing the victim good name. The judgment Allah bless you. Of course, we all want to make school environment a safe and positive place. However, to achieve this, we must recognize that bullying is a problem that needs to be solved together. Therefore, we must work together to solve this problem in the right way. Example, we must carry out bullying and reporting if such action occur. Apart from that, we can also teach students about spreading others. Once again, let's all unite to stop bullying in our school. Remember, Golden Indonesia 2045 requires a generation that mentally and physically healthy from bullying. My respected judge, that's all of my speech today. I hope it can be useful for all of us. Thank you very much for your attention. I'm sorry for anyone oppressing you. Stop bullying. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.